What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And you probably landed on this video because you have maybe an auto mechanic. It's a loved one. Or maybe you are an auto mechanic. You work with a bunch of different auto mechanics. And you're like, you know what? What should I get? And what company should I buy it from? From my colleagues. Maybe you're doing like some type of Secret Santa thing. Well, today we bring to you the Milwaukee gift guide for 2018 for auto mechanics. Stay tuned. Gift guide 2018. And you could get your own gift guide over on Milwaukee's website. All you got to do is go put your information in like this little form here and hit send, and boom, your gift guide comes to you. But let's get on to the video. It seems that their gift guide here is this one in particular. They have multiple for multiple trades. Pretty cool. This one, when I looked it over, and they're not labeled. This was up to, for my interpretation. When this came up, I was like, this has got to be for an auto mechanic. I mean, look at it. One big one, the showstopper on this list, the one that every auto mechanic's going to go nuts for, is this 3/8 stubby impact kit right here, number 3. But I digress. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's scroll down. Inflator, combination wrenches. But number 1 on that list is the 3/8 drive metric 32-piece ratchet and sockets with 4 flat sides. Number 2 is 3/8 drive standard 28-piece ratchet and sockets with 4 flat sides. Product number 48-22-94-98. That product number is pretty similar to number 1. The only difference is that it ends in 9508. Number 3. Oh, they tricked me from the picture. This is M12 Fuel half-inch stubby impact wrench. Quite frankly, in my humble opinion, in this M12 platform, I think the sweet size in drives is 3/8. I think this is an M12 platform. It does, this impact wrench does have 250 foot-pounds of fastening and nut-busting torque. But I think half-inch, I think it just would be more useful with the 3/8 anvil. That's just my opinion, but the kit number is 2555-22. We have the 15-piece SAE ratcheting combination wrench set with max bite. You always want it with max bite. 48-22-9416. And this is what sealed the deal on it. You know, this kind of sealed the deal as to what trade this was for. It was the 4-piece pry bar set. 48-22-92 oh, no dash, just 14. What a C. It's got an 8-inch pry bar, a 24-inch pry bar, an 18-inch pry bar, and a 12-inch pry bar. Pretty nice. These are all good. These are all good gift ideas. Some of these gifts, like the stubby impact, you know, they're priced for maybe a real close loved one. You know, some of the other ones, like the pry bars, maybe better suited for a colleague or a coworker, you know. But there's something for everybody on this list in the field of auto mechanics. Let's move on to number 6. You got the Shockwave Red Helix Titanium Drill Bit Set. It's a nice multi-purpose drill bit set. 15 pieces. 48-89-4630. Then we move on to, we got a lot of combination wrenches. But this is a 15-piece metric ratcheting combination wrench set with max bite. Number 8 on the list is the M12 Compact Inflator. You know, help you pump up your tires. You keep the wheels spinning. And if you like keeping the wheels spinning and you like our list, then smash the like button. I mean, it's straight from Milwaukee. We didn't put this one together. They put this together. We're just sharing it with you. And if you like YouTube creators that share things with you, then make sure you smash the like button. Also, If you're interested in any of those items, we put some links down below. I also want to say, leave in the comments section. What do you think of the list? You know, do you see your loved one who's an auto mechanic using this stuff? Does he like a different brand? Does he like Milwaukee? Do you like this stuff? Let us know down below. Let us know what you want stuffed in your stocking this Christmas holiday giving season. But as always, I want to say, I appreciate every single one of you, and we'll see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.